preparation of 2,4,6-tribromophenol starting from phenol. So whenever we take highly activating groups like phenol, जिसमें benzene ring के ऊपर OH है, or nitrobenzene, or any other highly activating group, so you do not end with bromination at just the ortho, para, or meta position, but you end up with a product which is the bromination at all the three places, 2, 4, and 6. It is because of the presence of OH group on the benzene ring which has made it highly activating group. Because of that, whenever bromination is carried out on aromatic compound like phenol, you end up with 2,4,6-tribromophenol as the product. So as bromination is carried out, it has to be carried out with utmost care because bromine is a very, very explosive chemical, has to be handled very carefully, very reactive. So the procedure would remain the same as we did it for the previous bromination, which was the bromination of acetanilide. So we take around 5 grams of phenol in water in a round bottom flask. I've already showed you what is a round bottom flask. So you take a round bottom flask, weigh 5 grams of phenol in it, add water and dissolve it in a round bottom flask. And you have to cool that solution. You have to cool it, keep it in ice cold water and cool that phenol solution, which is dissolved in water, in ice cold water. After that, you start adding bromine to the solution of phenol in ice cold conditions, and you have to add it very, very carefully, drop wise, with constant stirring, keeping the solution at all times in ice. So around 8 ml of bromine has to be added, aqueous solution of bromine has to be added, and then you will keep the solution for some time, and at least for 15 to 20 minutes you will allow the solution to stand. What will happen is that you have to put an air condenser. You can put a water condenser or an air condenser on the round bottom flask and keep on stirring the solution for 15 to 20 minutes. I repeat again, we take phenol, around 5 grams, weigh it, add it to a round bottom flask, dissolve it in water, cool the solution in ice cold, make a water bath and make an ice bath and cool the solution. And then you take 8 ml of bromine in a burette, add it to the phenol solution dropwise, and then with constant stirring and shaking and maintaining ice cold conditions. After the complete addition of bromine has been done, what you do is you keep the solution for 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, what will happen is that you will add 50 ml of additional water to it, and you will see that white colored precipitates of the product. The product is tribromophenol. 2,4,6-tribromophenol will start precipitating out. White precipitates will start coming out. You will filter it, and using a Buchner funnel, you will weigh it, dry it, and then weigh it. You can recrystallize the tribromophenol using an ethanol water mixture. Using a 70-30 ethanol water mixture, you can recrystallize it. But this is the preparation. The only precaution and the most important precaution is to handle bromine with utmost care. So bromine handling requires a lot of care, and then you will note down the percentage yield and what is the expected yield, what is your yield, and then you will calculate the percentage yield of the compound, and finally note down the melting point to see the purity of the compound. So this is all about the preparation of 2,4,6-tribromophenol. The question is, when we did the bromination of acetanilide, we prepared only the para. Ortho was also formed, but as a minor product. The major product was para-bromoacetanilide and the minor was ortho-bromo. But when we are doing the bromination of phenol, we are getting the product, we are getting the substitution at the 3 places and forming 2,4,6-tribromophenol. The answer to the question is because of the presence of OH group of the benzene ring, it has become highly activating and the substitution takes place at the 3 positions. Whereas for acetanilide, that does not happen because it is not an activating group. So I think this is all about the bromination of phenol, which leads to the product 2,4,6-tribromophenol.